find somebody to not be credible because they're a convicted felon. And I know that Batson as you stated, has written several letters, has complained often about the situation in Westville in particular. But if I'm Alan's attorney, I'm mortified on behalf of my client. And that bears itself out in the fact that they've tried to get him out of there not once, but twice. And I've been, frankly, in the exact same situation in the case in Omaha, Nebraska, where, 23 hours a day, Michael, going on 6 months in segregation with no human contact is brutal in and of itself. When you start adding in other things that are going on, which they just happen in prison, and people may not want to believe it, but and that's the problem with having a pretrial detainee, somebody who has not been convicted of anything and who is presumed to be innocent in this country, and that's the law of the land. It's not an opinion. They don't make that distinction in prison. The guards don't, and the inmates don't. He is being viewed as a child killer, and he's being treated as such by both of those parties, and I have zero doubt about it.
Yeah. Susan Hendricks, I want to bring you in quickly before we have to go to break. I think Bob hit it right on the head. The sense I'm getting from that community is that they're treating him, and I want to say the legal community out there, as if he's already convicted of this crime. Do you sense that as well?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Bob was right. I have the same opinion. I don't think he should be there. I've heard it from the other side saying, well, he has more privileges there. There's mental health experts, but come on. He doesn't deserve to be there. Look at where we are. And a jury hasn't even been picked. And this is how much discussion is going on around this. What we want, what the families want, what Bob has spoke of, all of your guests has, is a fair trial, the right to a fair trial. Richard Allen deserves that. The families deserve that. Now we have to decide, or it has to be decided. How do we get there?
Yeah, and a fair trial in a timely manner. That's one of the issues that's been raised by the attorneys that were let go in this case, that by doing what the judge did, they pushed this thing out another year. So he's got to be in this situation for another year. So that's not something to sneeze at.